Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings. Let's tap on it, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find this digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter, and here let's pick this first section. So let's tap on show your data. And as you can see right here, right in the middle, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And you can check that I've been using it for 56 minutes. What's more, here you can check all the apps and between which this time is divided. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, and then on Notes, Phone, Play Store, and so on. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So in order, we can of course check some further details, and we can do it using two different ways. So the first way is to tap directly inside this graph, and as you can see, we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us the time which we've spent on the screen each day. So as you can see, here we've got the Tuesday. If I've been using this device yesterday on Monday, then we will also be able to check the graphs, and so on and so on. You can change the previous weeks also. So that's quite a cool option. What's more, under it you've got all the apps listed, so those which you are using and for how long. So for example, the settings for 24 minutes in my case. So that was oh yes, and I forgot to say that you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, of course connected to the whole screen, because the second way to check the details is connected directly with particular apps. So for example, instead of tapping right in the middle, you can tap on particular app. So for example, the settings, and as you can see, again we can see the dashboard, but currently it is directly connected with only this one app, so the settings. Now you can manage the notifications of the settings here. You can check how long you've been using this app in particular days. You can again change the screen time to the notifications received from this app or times opened, and from daily to hourly. It's up to you. So let me go back, and basically this is how to check the total screen time. But I wanted to say a few words about ways to disconnect. Here we've got the dashboard, bedtime mode, and the focus mode, and I highly recommend to use those modes because for example, if you need the time for yourself, if you want to rest, if you just want to sleep, or just do not be disturbed, then for example you can set the focus mode or the bedtime mode. Let me enter the focus mode, and as you can see here, you can select distracting apps, so the apps from which you are receiving most of the notifications. You will be able to set a schedule after marking them, so for example the start and end time to particular days, and thanks to turning it on, your device will simply limit the notifications from those marked apps. So I really think that it is useful, and it really may help you to rest. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.